Hello friends, my name is Ken at Programming House. Today we'll be covering the steps involved in setting up a mail system, for your business. Maybe you want to send customized emails to your customers, clients. Maybe you want to send newsletters to your clients. Maybe you want to send password reset codes. So this is uh, the steps involved in the whole thing. So I hope you'll enjoy. Let's get started. So the first thing will be to set up a Gmail account to be used. So I will assume that you've created an email account. So now that email account is what will set it up now, so that it may be used by our system. So the second one will download a PHPmailer. Then I will assume that you have some installed in your system already. Then I will create a sent mail code. So I assume that you have your SAM already installed. So we'll go to manage your Google account. Then now here we'll need to make sure that we have two-step verification on. If it's off, turn it on. Then we'll go to app password to create a password for our application. But before we go there, we used to have less secure access option that Google disabled it early this year. So I don't know whether it's still there. Maybe they have removed that option. So let's go. Maybe they've removed app password. So to continue, we'll have to enter my password. After entering my password, there's a code that they have sent into my phone number. I will input it, 93 73 then 45. Next. So here under select hub, I will have custom name. Then I will call it tut mailer. Oops. Then I will generate the code. So I will screenshot it to make sure that it's I have a backup of the code. Then I will paste it under my description. Okay, so now my Gmail account is set now to be used. Now we download the PHPmailer. Now to download the PHPmailer, we will need to set up a directory and our htdocs where we will have the PHPmailer downloaded to and installed. Then under directory I have my Gmail set folder. So inside there I will open terminal. Open in terminal. So after I open there, I'll go to the browser and I write PHPmailer download. I select the first option, PHPmailer. So this is a PHPmailer now that I'm talking about. So we'll use that composer require PHPmailer. So we copy then we paste in our terminal, then we hit enter. So there it is, it's downloaded. So now our library has been downloaded. Now to continue, we will copy this simple example. It's not simple, it can be customized to be very complex. So now under our Gmail set folder, we'll create a new file called index.php. Then now there I will paste the code that we have copied from the browser. So now here we'll change a few things. We'll start with the host. Our host is smtp@gmail.com. Then now username, the smtp user associated with the account that we have just created. So the account is Ken MWBS. So I'll copy it, then I will paste it there. Oops. Then I will go and copy my password. That's the password that we generated. Then I will paste it there. We have secret. Then yeah, everything is set. Everything is set. So now I will have set from. That is our email, the Gmail account, knmw.bs gmail.com, the mailer. Then there will add a recipient. The recipient will have kennedy.w.muinsi@gmail.com. Then under the user I will have Kenny. Let's have Kenny. Then I'll reply to, I'll disable these ones. I'll disable carbon copy, I'll disable black carbon copy, I'll disable. Then I'll not use attachments. Maybe if you want to send attachments, it's very simple. Make sure you reference the correct directory. So I will disable. I will comment. So now here is the example. Tut mailer. Then this example, I'll need to change it. I will have hello, then into bold, we'll have Kennedy. Then now everything is set. So now we'll go to our browser and they load our application. So as you can see, we have message has been sent. If we go to our other email, our inbox will see that email. Tut mailer. So there it is. Let me cancel it. Now, to disable this debug information, what we'll do, we'll just go to the SMTP debug. We'll have to remove that option, and then we'll have false. We'll replace it with false. So now we'll not see all of that data. So that is it. When you reload, the message has been sent. If we'll confirm again, we'll see that we have a new email address. So that is it. PHPmailer, there are two. So that is it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.